So is it true when working out legs, it also forces other muscle groups to grow also?
Like I got buddies who, like I do programs for them, and they're like, man, I'm a big dude, like my legs are big.
Too big.
So I want you to design me a program, but I don't want you designing any leg workouts in there. and he had a gut on him.
Yeah.
And I sat him down, I was like, listen, homie, I said, just because you're doing squats and deadlifts, it doesn't mean that we're just targeting your legs with these workouts. It's an overall body experience. Not only is it targeting multiple muscle groups in your body, like with a squat, but it's also creating that hormonal reaction in your body to get those fat burning engines going. It's gonna burn more calories than just doing like a bicep curl. So you're gonna be burning fat all over your body. Legs, every single person should be training them regardless if you're already big in the lower body or not.
Absolutely, I agree with that. I've had females come to me and have like a small upper body and just like a heavy lower body, and then they don't want to do legs because they don't want them to get any bigger. And I'm like, girl, you know, if you don't train your legs, you're not going to get any smaller anywhere or any more even anywhere, you know, because your legs are just, they're your biggest, most powerful muscle group. So in order to put muscle all throughout your body, you need to stimulate your largest, most powerful muscle.
I mean, squat days, deadlift days, like that's what's creating the testosterone boost in your body, the HGH, like the growth hormone release. So get into the gym, train your legs.
Not only does it make you leaner, but it makes you more balanced overall. And better hormonal environment.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.